Drag Specialties part number 4405-0490 225 watt 2-channel amplifier with R.E.M.I.T for excellent FM reception from a Class D amplifier 112.5 watt x2 at 2 ohms. No radio reflash required. New DC sensing eliminates. Requirement for remote turn on lead amp includes mounting plates for Street GlideÂ/Ultra and R.E.V. Glide models. Supplied mounting plates allow easy addition of a second REV225 RM amplifier. 100% plug and play wiring is included. 3-year warranty. Street GlideＡ registered 2014. Street GlideA registered Special 2014. Electra GlideＡ registered Ultra Classic 2014. Ultra Limited 2014. Ultra Limited Low 2014. Tri GlideＡ registered Ultra 2014 includes plug and play 225 watt amp kit. All mounting plates, wires, and required hardware are included. No radio reflash required. 100% plug and play wiring is included. Amp includes mounting plates for Street GlideＡ/Ultra and R.E.V. Glide models. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.